Struggling with weak toilet flushes because of water pressure issues? You're not alone, and fixing it doesn't have to be a headache. First off, check your home's water pressure with a simple gauge you can get at any hardware store. If it's too low, think about installing a pressure booster pump to give your toilet that extra push it needs. On the flip side, if the pressure is too high, it can mess with the flush too. So a pressure regulator valve might be your best friend here. Make sure any new parts you buy are compatible with your toilet model to avoid more headaches. Keep an eye on leaks too, since they can drop your water pressure and tank up your water bill. When you install a pressure booster or regulator, it's a good idea to hire a licensed plumber unless you're super confident with tools. Also, regularly clean your toilet's jets and flush valve because gunk buildup can make the pressure feel weaker than it really is. Lastly, remember that sometimes old pipes are the real culprit, so if you've tried everything else, consider getting your plumbing inspected. One of the biggest mistakes people make with water pressure and flush power is ignoring inconsistent water pressure, which leads to weak flushes or even damage over time. Fix this by installing a reliable pressure regulator or booster depending on your needs. Another common issue is DIY installations without checking compatibility or local plumbing codes, which can cause leaks and even bigger problems. Always consult a pro if you're unsure. The third mistake is neglecting maintenance. Dirty jets and valves reduce flush efficiency, so clean those parts regularly to keep things running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without all the stress. Plus, contractors love it because it helps them connect with real clients looking for their specific skills.